What's going on?
Brittany's a great girl.
Okay.
I love her and I want to marry her. But there's just one thing.
One thing.
She got these kids at the house, man, and they bad.
My kids are not bad, okay? They're just a little bit misunderstood.
Not bad. Look, Doc, we were in the room just last night about to get it in. Here they come banging down the door, turning on the lights. They have no respect. They're monsters. They don't respect me. They don't listen to her.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be helping me raise them, Eric.
Baby, that's why we're here. But if we can't get a handle on her, I don't know if I can marry you.
That hurt.
Really, Eric?
Oh, you broke her heart.
You know that their father left me and that my father left my mother.
Soap opera.
My great-grandfather left my great-grandmother and my great-great-grandmother was left by my great-great-grandfather.
You see what I deal with?
I get it. I get it. How many boys do you have? 2? 3?
2 boys.
Feels like 7.
Brother, I got this, okay? The boys. Where are they?
They're outside of your office right now. Yeah.
You couldn't afford to put them in daycare?
Well, they got kicked out.
Your kids got kicked out of daycare?
They,
For being thugs?
being thugs? No.
How did your boys get kicked out of daycare?
They were discriminating against my boys from the moment we walked into that school.
You're gonna play the card now.
Oh.
Okay.
The card.
Okay. How about this? How about you go get your boys
I
and
can
bring
do
them in
that.
here?
Whoa, Doc,
I can
Doc.
do that.
What's up?
You got a lot of nice things in here. You got glass. Is everything bolted down? You sure?
Man, ain't nobody tripping, man. Look, they just legit, all right? They probably just misguided or whatever, you know?
See, if you were more of a man here, like Dr. Reasons, maybe you'd be able to handle them, Eric.
You would know.
I'm gonna grab them.
That's right. Bring your kids in here.
Oh, you gonna see.
Oh, I'm going to see it.
Boys, come in. I have someone that wants to meet you.
You give me that Tyson stare.
Can mommy sit over here with you guys? And these are my boys, Zay Zay and JoJo.
Good afternoon, boys.
Shut up, man! Yeah, shut up, stupid!
I know you just tell me to shut up.
You know kids today. It's how they are today.
This is what you created. Fellas, your mother loves you, you know. How come you won't listen to anything she has to say?
Cause we don't wanna! Yeah! Why don't you mind your own business?
There's something else, right?
Misguided. You said there's nothing you can't
I
handle.
wish I could just rub this thing together and disappear. You know, what about Mr. Eric? You don't want to listen to him?
He ain't my daddy! Yeah! I got my eyes on you, mister.
A little slight temper there, you know.
They a little protective of their mama, that's all.
See,
That's it, you know.
Maybe you boys should work on your behavior because your mother's doing a good job and she can't do it fully all the way. But if you had a guy like me in your life, I'll make you guys go like this. You think you bad or something? What you about to do with that? Young man, what you doing? Oh. Oh, no. You doing this straight disrespect, boy. Oh, that's... Oh! Oh, no, you didn't. I know you didn't hit me with that.
So, Doc, do you think maybe a couple more sessions?
No dads ever!
Just a couple more?
No dads ever!
Then sometimes when you sleep, I love when you sleep, but it's like your mouth be open. So sometimes I'll be putting like pubic hairs in your mouth. It's funny. One time I tried to send you a dick pic, right?